Today we're going to do addition problems, and we're going to use Dominoes to solve them. Cool? Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Okay, I'm going to put my dominoes over here. Let's go ahead and erase the board. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to pull out a domino like this. I'm going to then use the domino, and I'm going to draw the domino on my whiteboard, and then I'm going to write an addition problem on my whiteboard, and I'm going to solve it. Okay, so I want you all at home to work with me today. Okay, first thing, here we go. We've got a domino. On the left side, I've got 3 dots. On the right side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. So I'm going to put that down right here. And I am going to draw my domino first. All right. It's important when you draw your domino that both of the sides match the domino, same exact dots and everything. I'm even going to try to copy it exactly how it looks. So 1, 2, 3. And then on the right side has 6, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So make sure you do that at home. And then underneath it, we're going to write an addition problem. Remember, when we're adding, there's going to be a plus sign, and that means we're going to be putting things together. So on this side, this part, there's 2 parts, and then there's a whole, okay? The whole amount's going to be our sum, which is going to come after the equal sign. The equal sign means same as. Same as. So this side is going to be the same as this side as far as quantity goes. So let's look at our domino. Here we have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write 3. This side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 3 plus 6 equals, or 3 plus 6 is the same as, what do I need to do now? We're going to put them together. Do that with me at home. We're going to put them together. So we put both sides together, and we're going to count the whole amount. I'm going to slide this domino to the other side. Remember, we said this is the same as that. So it shouldn't matter if I slide this whole domino over here to count our whole amount. I have 2 options. I could count all these dots here to find out what my sum is. I could also just count all the dots inside that domino, which is what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 equals 9, or you could read it 3 plus 6 is the same as 9. Let's say I didn't want to move my domino over. I could have just counted my dots. 3 plus, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, 3 plus 6, if I put it all together, and I erased that middle line, and they were all together, here we go. That's 9 dots. Cool. Sochi, I see yours. All right, let's go ahead and erase our boards real quick, and let's do the next one together as a whole group. I'm going to put this domino right here on the side so that I know I've already done that one. Remember, when you're using a plus sign, that means we're putting things together. When you see an equal sign, that means same as. So let's pull out a domino, and I want to see if you can write your math equation at home as fast as I can write it here at school. Okay? It's going to take some practice, but we'll get it. So here we go. I've got another domino. And on the left side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. And on the right side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to draw my domino. So remember, to draw a domino, you just draw a rectangle, draw a line down the middle. This side has 5 dots. This side has 5 dots. I'm going to draw my dots exactly how they look like on the domino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. So now I have that. You're already done, Sochi? That was so fast. What? Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5. And remember, we're adding, so we're going to use the plus sign. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals. You got to put that equal sign. That's supposed to be a straight line. There we go. 5 plus 5 equals. And your answer is going to be called your sum. So the sum of 5 plus 5 is, I'm going to slide that over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to double check my work to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So 10 is the same as 10. 5 plus 5 is the same as 10. There we go. And there you have it. Let me see your board at home. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and erase our board, and let's try another one. I'm just pulling out a random domino. If you're working at home, I want you to try to see if you can write out the addition problem before I can, okay? I mean, we don't have to make it a race, but if you want to, let's have some fun with it. So here we go. I've got another domino. On the left side, I have 1, 2, 3. And on the right side, I have 1. So I'm going to draw my domino. And on my left side, I'm going to put 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1. Sochi, you've already beat me again? How are you doing this so fast? Jasmine, you've already got yours done too? Ooh, that's good. That's great. Hey, I would rather you guys work faster than me. Ida, you've got yours done? And Jocelyn? Oh, my. I've got some real mathematicians in this class. 1, 2, 3. I've got my 3 plus 1 equals. I'm going to slide that to the other side because remember, that means same as. 3 plus 1 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting that whole amount. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. There we have it. There we have it. I want you to show your board. Show your board on the screen. Like, show your board. Like that. Let me see your board at home. Sochi, let me see your board. Hold it up a little bit higher. There you go. Yeah, that looks really good. Nice work. Now, it's hard to see yours, Jasmine, because you're writing in yellow marker. Ida, I see your board. Wonderful work. I love how you drew your domino. Great work. Let's go ahead and do another one, shall we? Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to erase my board. I'm just going to grab another one out. And, ooh, that's a big one. Now, I know we're in kindergarten, and technically we're only supposed to do addition, sums up to 10. This one, I'm going to go ahead and give you a spoiler alert here. It's going to be more than 10. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that side, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that side. Let's see if you can write down, if you can draw your domino and write your addition equation and answer before I can. Okay, so I'm going to draw my domino. I'm making a big rectangle first. Six, 3 on top, 3 on bottom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 plus 6 equals. What? You are already done again? Hold your board up. Hold your board up again. Look at how fast. How did you do that so fast? Let's see, Jocelyn, make sure you got your equal sign. Make sure you got your equal sign right like this. 6 plus 6 equals. I haven't even shown you my answer. Let me see your. All right, so we're going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I move this over and I wanted to double check my work, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold your boards up, boys and girls. Hold your boards up. I am so impressed. Hold your board up. Just show off. Brag on yourself. You guys are doing great. You're doing a wonderful job. Ida, you're doing a wonderful job. I love the way that you wrote your sixes correctly. You have your plus sign. You have your equal sign. Let me see that again. Yeah, you had your plus sign. You had your equal sign. Awesome work. Okay, cool. You know what? I think that calls for a faraway high five. 3, 2, 1. Let's do another one. I think y'all might be the smartest kindergartners I've ever taught in my whole life. This is my 13th year teaching kindergarten. Here we go. On the left side, I've got 1, 2. And on the right side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. I'm going to draw my domino. One, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You already got yours done. That's 2 plus 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me double check that though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Let me see those boards, smarty pants. Let me see those boards, smarty pants. Let's see. Yep, you've got yours. I love the way you wrote your 2 plus 6 equals 8. That is so wonderful. Y'all are doing a great job. I am so proud of you. Can I see some other students' work too? I love it. You are so talented. Give yourself, let's see, 2 plus 6 is 8. Let's give everybody a high 8. That's a 5 plus 3. High 8 in 3, 2, 1. Psh, high 8. High 8. Too bad. One more. Let's do one more. Oh, wait. Let's see yours, Jocelyn. Hold yours up. Jocelyn made a person out of her number 8. Very creative. I'm going to try to copy you. I'm going to make a person out of my number 8. Hey, how's it going? All right, let's erase our board. All right, this is the last one. And if you get this one right, you can take a break. Take a break. Here we go. All right. The first part of this domino has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second part of this domino has 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, five, six. Do you notice how I'm always double checking myself? I just want to make sure that I'm getting the right answer. A good mathematician always double checks, triple checks, quadruple checks. You got to make sure. Next side has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 6 plus 4 equals. So to you think what you think is 10? I don't know, it might be. I'm going to give you all a chance to try to solve it by yourself. Let's see. Whenever you solve your board or your problem, just show me it. I want to give you a chance to do this one by yourself. Zoe, I see yours. Hunter, Jaheem. Jasmine, I see yours. Wow, you're really picking up on this. This is wonderful. We're going to go ahead and find our sum right now. Let's see if you're right. Well, I could always slide that over to the other side and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you think? Can I give you some advice real quick, Ida? Change that plus sign right here to an equal sign. Do you see mine? Change that to an equal sign real quick. And then show me that board again. Wonderful. Yep. 6 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you have it, boys and girls. Even though you didn't even have dice at home, you're still able to do this not dice. Bleh. Even though you didn't have dominoes at home, you were still able to do this domino activity with me. So there you have it. If you got 6 plus 4 equals 10, then take a little break, and I'll see you later, okay? You are so smart. How about we end our class with a high 10? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. See you later.